Welcome back to the mathematics class. Today we will discuss a few exercise questions. Here the question is, show that square of any positive integer is in the form 3p or 3p plus 1 using Euclid's division lemma. So you have to answer like this. Euclid division lemma is A is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than 0 and less than b. Let the given number is x, and so dividend A is equal to x, divisor B is equal to 3, and we are using Euclid's division lemma. So x is equal to, that means A is equal to 3 into q plus r, B is 3 and remainder is r. So what is the possible remainder here? Remainder is 0 or 1 or 2 because it should be less than 3. So we have three cases arises. X is equal to 3q plus 0, that means remainder 0, or second case, x is equal to 3q plus 1, remainder 1. Third case, x is equal to 3q plus 2, remainder 2. So case 1, when x is equal to 3q plus 0, that means 3q. We have to find square number. X square is equal to 3q whole square is 9q square, and 9q square can be written as 3 into 3q square. That means it is in the form of 3p. 3 into something, 3p. That's something we have called as p. So this is in 3p form. Case 2. If x is equal to 3q plus 1 is case 2. That means its square should be x square is equal to, when you are finding its whole square, it will be 9q square plus 6q plus 1 using a plus b whole square formula. And this part, taking 3 common, you can write as 3 into 3q square plus 2q and 1 same as it is. Therefore, it is in which form? 3 into p plus 1. So it is 3p plus 1 form. Case 3, if x is equal to 3q plus 2, that means its x square is equal to, taking its square number, whole square using formula, you can get 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Again, here you have to take 3 common. When you are taking 3 common, 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Here, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 and plus 1 is 4. 4 can be written like this. So here we are getting 3 into p. You would consider this part as p. 3p plus 1. 3p plus 1. So we are getting 3 cases. First case we got 3p form, second case we got 3p plus 1 form, and third case we are getting 3p plus 1 form. So we conclude that square of any positive integer can be expressed in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Thank you. Let us see another question. Show that square of any odd positive integer is in the form 8m plus 1. So answer is, as any positive odd integer is in form 2q plus 1. 2q plus 1 is an odd number. When we are finding square, 2q plus 1 whole square by a plus b whole square formula, 4q square plus 4q plus 1. And here this part you can change like this. That means take 4q common. So it is 4q into q plus 1 plus 1. Here q into q plus 1, q into q plus 1 is either 0 or even. How? If q is equal to 0, the product will be 0. If not, it is two consecutive numbers, q and q plus 1. When two consecutive numbers multiplied, because one of them should be even, the product is also even. So it should be even or 0. Okay. So even means it is 2m form. If it is 0, 2 into 0, otherwise it is 2m form. So 2q plus 1 whole square is equal to this result, 2q plus 1 whole square result, we can write as 4 into, this is 2m plus 1, that is 4 into 2m plus 1, that is 4 into 2, 8m plus 1. So we conclude that square of any odd positive integer is in form of 8m plus 1. Now the next question is, so that cube of any odd positive integer is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 using Euclid's division lemma. So answer is Euclid's division lemma is A is equal to B cube plus R is greater than 0 less than B. Let A is equal to x, the given number we have taken x. B is equal to 3. Here we need 9 but I have taken 3 only, because when B is equal to 3 the possible remainders should be 3 less than 3, that is 0, 1, 2, and we will get the case. And when whole cube, we are doing whole cube, 3 whole cube is 27, and 27 from 27 we can get the factor 9. But if you take 9, you will get remainder 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a number of cases and very tedious work for analyzing all the cases. So take B is equal to 3. Now, so as remainder 0, one case, remainder 1, second case, remainder 2, next case. That is x is equal to 3q plus 0 or x is equal to 3q plus 1 or x is equal to 3q plus 2, case 1. When x is equal to 3 cube, x cube is equal to 27, 3 cube whole cube is 27 cube, that is 9 into something. It is, we can write 9 into 3 cube cube, that is 9m form. Okay, case 2. When x is equal to, second case is 3 cube plus 1. X is equal to 3 cube plus 1, x cube is 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. That is, by whole cube formula we can get 27 q cube plus 3 into a into b, that is 3 into 3q into 1 into a plus b, that is 3q plus 1 plus b cube, that is 1 cube. So here 27 we can take 9 common, 3 into 3 9 taken common. So I have taken 9 common, 3 cube plus here 9 taken common, q into 3q plus 1 and 1 is 1. So this part is m, 9m plus 1 form. Case 3. When x is equal to 3q plus 2, x cube is equal to, by whole cube we can get 27 cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b plus b cube, that is here 27, 9 can be taken common, same as it is above. Here 9 can be taken common and 8 will be remain like this. So we will get 9 into m structure, as here we got 9 into m, 9m plus 8 form. So we conclude that cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, that we get in first case, that is here 9m, and second case is 9m plus 1, third case is 9m plus 8. Thank you.